which is content and add module, also add activities. So our system, which is in the website ELTest, it helps faculties to facilitate with the students through electronic systems and through website, which is easier for them as they're communicating with each other. First, I will go to my course or a new course, so I can explain everything in detail. So, firstly, I will choose the course. After that, the first topic I will talk about is content. So, just press the content from the screen in the website. This is the easiest way to go to the content. So, as you see here, there is overview, bookmarks, upcoming events, and the table of content. I will explain each section here. So let's start with the overview of the course. So when you press that, you see the topic, and you can change, like I already put some attachment here. So let's begin from the beginning. So I want to add some attachment for my course, like an overview of all the courses, like an introduction or summarization. So add an attachment. Another screen will appear, so I can upload it directly from my computer. So press upload. After that, for example, I will choose some of the content. Then, after the upload is complete, I can press buttons add, so it will be added to the overview. And also, you can add some content here, like you write your some information about the course. For example, dear students, our course is about information technology. And you can see here the toolbar, which is you can edit, paste, copy, or also change the heading, change the fonts and size. Also the color of the font. So after you change the content here, you can press updates. So it will be published to the course itself. So let's go to the table of content. The bookmark, we will explain it inshallah after the table of content, because I need to change my rule to the students, then I can save it as a bookmark. So let's go to the table of content. Here you can add your courses. For example, I have 2 courses, information technology and information system or system analysis. So I will add each course here, and I can add weeks or, for example, chapters. Let's begin and press add modules and write DSS, enter. As you see now, it is appear in the screen. So here you will see the name of your topics, which is DSS. When we press this button, we can edit the title. So if you change your mind and you want to change it to another name, let's see, decision support systems, then press enter. It will be saved automatically. And here, if you want to move to another course, for example, and this buttons edit metadata, which has here I didn't have anyone. There is no views available, so it should contain the keywords for your course and some descriptions there. So here I want to add a description for my course. So when we press the add description, it will appear the content here, so I can add some contents. So I can change the font, I can make it bigger and bold, for example. And also there's another tool here, which is add pictures or insert an image. You can insert quick link. So let's choose image, for example. So I can choose this one from here, then open the image, and we will wait until it's completed, then add. So here, if you wanted just a decorative image, you do want alternative text for explaining this image. So I just press the image is decorative, then OK. Then it will be added to your content. After that, you choose update, so it will be saved to your course. So here in published, you see this buttons. There is two options. The first one is draft and the second one is published, which means if you want to save it as draft, you want to edit in the future, you want to add more content, so you save it as a draft, so the student will not, it will be not appear to the students in the website. But right now, let's say that I will choose publish to the students so they can see it in the website. So here, if you want to add some restrictions or some dates for your content, for example, I wanted start date, which is from today, like 13 February. So when I press the buttons, it will be the calendar will appear. So I will choose 13. For example, 9 a.m. Let's change it to 10. Also, I want to end like some specific days. After this days, I do want this content to be appeared for the students. I need it to be hidden. So I will choose, for example, this course will be ended on March 31 at 12 a.m. And also you can add due date, like if it's let's suppose that this is like an assignment, so I want it to end in after 1 week. So I can choose this due date. But for now, I will choose just the start date and end date. Then I will choose update, so the content will be updated automatically. So here in the you see this buttons, new. When you press the buttons, you will see a lot of features. Upload files, we already use it. We can upload files here. So if I press it is the same as image. Just press upload, choose one of the content, for example, here, and it will be uploaded. So after it's done, I can press add. So you will see the file appear in your screen. So let's see here, if you press this button, You can see also edit the properties of the files. You can download it and you can delete it. Also, you can publish it to the Learn Objective repository. So let's press edit property. We can change or add some descriptions, and also the same as explained before, which is you can choose published or draft. So we can add some description as before and press updates. So it is the same way as the main topic. So and here also you can add or create link, and you can create also file. Let's see, create a file. You can enter a title here. Let's write assignment 1. Then write some content here. Question 1. What is the abbreviation of, for example. Then after you write your content here, you can publish it, or you can save it as draft. But for me, I want to publish it so the students can see their homework. So publish. So now the assignment is already published here, and as you see, there is a check mark in the right side. When you press that, you can find 3 options, which is automatic, manual, and no tracking. So the first one is automatic. That means when the students enter the contents, it shows that the students read that content, already viewed that content. But if manual chosen, that means if the students read this or view this topic, he should put the check mark so the instructor know he viewed this content. And if you do want to any track for this file, you choose no tracking, so you will not know if the students view the file or not. But I think for me, my special, in my opinion, that this way is to choose automatic, so you can see if the students see the file or not. In the main topic, we can add subsections. For example, here I can add another model. Let's see, which is week 1. Then press enter. So just choose the main topic, then add model, so it will be inside the content, inside the first course. Sorry for that inconvenience. So if you want to add sub-models, you can go to the main section and add models you want to be added there and press. And also I want to add chapter 2. So right now I have 2 chapters inside the main course. And here you can see buttons called bulk edit, which means if you want to edit all things at once. So if I press this button, it will give me the way which I can edit all the topics here, all the content. So I can delete, I can change the name of the topic, I can add some descriptions, I can add some dates and restrictions. So it will be easy for the instructor to go through all these at one instead of like editing individually. So let's change one of these. For example, I want to change it to Excel sheet 1. So here I will add some contents also. Please upload your ما أدري. أيوة في ضوضاء ناس طولي على أني حاطة إعلان بس. طيب هل الشرح واضح يعني؟ Is there any questions? Is there any questions until now? Okay. Go to that. Let's return back to our content. So, is there any questions before I can proceed with the other topic? If anyone has questions, please. Okay. So, okay. So, is it clear the content, how I add sections and subsections? Okay. So, as I told you before, there is bookmark here. So if I want to save some of my content as a bookmark, like the students come and like I want to return back to this content and save it as a bookmark. So I will go to the main course, then change my rule to the students. After that, I will go to some of the content there. Then, like, I want to return back to this content. I want to save it as a bookmark. So right now, I save it. Let's return back to the course and change the rule. So I will return back to the content. So if we press the bookmarks, we can see that assignment here saved as just a minute. بنات لو سمحتوا عندي ميتنج الآن، يعني لو تدون فرصة ثاني. Sorry for the noise. So, okay, so now it is saved in the bookmarks. The same thing as upcoming events. Now I didn't have any events, but if I want to add some events here, it's showing in the calendar. So I will go to, for example, I should add it from. Where is okay, contents here. So yes, are you with me?
Yes, we are with you.
Okay. So for adding some events, let's see, edit the properties here. So I want it to be the start date from today until, for example, 26. Then updates. So I think there's also more options here in the new buttons. There is like, for example, new discussions. So the instructor can discuss any topic with students. So So let's press that. We can add a new discussions. Let's say it is test 1. So I will write some contents to the students. Please, if you have any related questions about the test, write it here. So I didn't put any form, so I will add a new forum. So let's set that it is DSS Pro and create. So it will be in the